Now we are going to do the conversion of decimal to binary. Alright students. So decimal, as I told you, decimal means base 10, binary means base 2. The simple thing which you should always remember is, if you want to convert decimal to binary, you simply have to divide the number by 2 and collect its remainder. This is 1. Okay. Number 2, if you want to find out, if you want to convert decimal to, let's say, octal. As I told you, decimal is base 10 and octal is base 8. Now what do you have to do here? You simply have to divide the decimal number by 8 and collect its remainders. Number 3, conversion number 3. Okay, decimal into hexadecimal. So what we'll do here? Yeah, you got it right. Decimal is base 10, hexadecimal is base 16. Simple. You have to go and divide your number by 16 and collect the remainder, right? So I have seen students getting confused in this conversion, but you have to simply understand that when you want to convert decimal to any other number system, just go and divide that number by the number system in which you want to convert. Let's say, for example, you want to convert in binary, divide the number by 2. In octal, divide the number by 8. In hexadecimal, divide the number by 16. As simple as that. Okay. So now let's do one example. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to write a decimal number. Let's say I'm writing 40. Okay, and I want it to be converted into binary, sorry, not decimal. So 40 is in decimal, so the base is 10, and I want to change it into the binary. See, I have written base 2. As I told you, you simply have to go and divide. So let's do the division here. Write down 40 here, divided by 2. When we divide 40 by 2, what comes as the answer? 2 2s are 4, 2 zeros are 0, and the remainder is 0. Now, again divide by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 zeros are 0, and remainder is 0 again. Let's do it again. We'll do it as till we get 0, okay? So, 2 5s are 10, and the remainder is 0. Now, the difference comes 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1. Now 2 1s are 2 and the remainder is 0. Now here our question gets solved because we have got the remainder 0. Now the technique is, you have to write your answer this way. Alright students, so how you are going to write? You are going to pick this number, means bottom. Okay, बॉटम से आप पिक करते हुए नंबर्स को लिखेंगे. लाइक इनिशियली इट इज, हियर इट इज 0, देन सॉरी हियर इट इज 1, नाउ 0, देन 1 0 0 and 0. Okay, so this is your number in binary. So equivalent decimals, 40 is equivalent to 101000 in binary. Alright students, so this is the basic conversion of decimal into binary. Let's try one more question. Let's say 345, which is a decimal number, of course. We have to convert that into binary. So again, what you have to do is, you simply have to go and divide this number by 2 and collect the remainder. And how long we are going to divide it by 2? Till we get 0 as the remainder. So 2 1s are 2, 1 will be left, so 2 7s are 14 and 2 2s are 4. The remainder is going to be 1. Okay, then 2 8s are 16, 1 will be left, so 2 6s are 12 and the remainder is 0. Again let us divide it by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, remainder 0. Once again, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, remainder is 1. Again, 2 1s are 2 and 2 0s are 0 because 1 doesn't come into 2's table. So the remainder is 1. Now 2 5s are 10, remainder 0. 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1. 2 1s are 1, sorry, 2 1s are 2, remainder is 0. Now important thing, I have seen students who forget this last digit. Please try to remember that you have to collect the answer from the bottom, all right, and you'll move it like this. So what is going to be your final answer? Let me write it here. 1 0 1 0, okay, 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 1. So this is my answer of 345 into decimal, sorry, into binary. I hope you have understood this conversion. Okay, so that's all for now in this video. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you.